In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a database to your Figma UI design in just 6 minutes. This is a simple and practical method that helps you bring real data into your designs using Google Sheets. First, open your Figma project and make sure your UI visual is important because we'll be linking live data directly to your design elements. Next, look at the bottom right area of the Figma interface and click the Action button. This button gives you access to additional tools and extensions inside Figma. After clicking it, choose Plugins and Widgets. This section contains all the plugins you can use to extend Figma's functionality and make your designs more dynamic. In the search bar, type Google Sheets Sync. This plugin allows you to connect a Google Sheet as a database and sync its data with your Figma design. Once the plugin appears in the results, click on it to open the plugin interface. Now go to Google Sheets and copy the shareable link of the sheet you want to use as your database. Make sure the sheet's access is set so anyone with the link can view it. Return to Figma and paste the Google Sheet link into the plugin's input field. This step connects your Figma file to the database. After pasting the link, click Fetch. The plugin will pull data from your Google Sheet and display a preview directly inside Figma. You'll now see your database content available in Figma, allowing your UI to reflect real and up-to-date data. This is especially useful for dashboards, tables, lists, and realistic UI previews. And that's it. You've successfully connected a database to your Figma UI design using Google Sheets. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials.